Linda Murphy beautifully described in her Co-regulation Handbook some better ways to guide kids with different learning styles. I highly recommend parents and educators who are in interaction with kids with needs to read it and implement her tools. She teaches us that there is a better way to guide kids with different learning styles than the constant step-by-step prompting. We can all learn how with co-regulation we can reach a completely different mindset. Instead of pushing your child, you are engaging with them as a partner in the process of doing things, activities together, assigning them competent roles along the way and gradually transferring responsibility when you see they are ready and can handle it. This means you are sharing the work, watching their feedback in the moment, consider your different paces for successful results. Remember that you are an adult, you know more to start with, so you should be gradually giving the child responsibility when they are ready.